How to use Snapchat by using BlueStacks 5 Player. So if you want to use Snapchat by using BlueStacks 5 Player, then just watch this video. As of 2026, Snapchat has the web version as well. You don't need BlueStacks for using your Snapchat. So you can open up your browser and then go with search and search for Snapchat web. And if you go with the first search, it will take you to the Snapchat. Now you just need simply enter your username or your email address or log into your Snapchat and use it. You'll have the web version. Or if you want to go with BlueStacks, then open up your BlueStacks. After opening your BlueStacks, you need to go with search, which will be in the top, and then search for games or ads. In our case, we have Snapchat. So search for Snapchat, hit the enter. Once you find your Snapchat application, you need to click on that. And if you want to install it, then you just need simply click on install from BlueStacks store, and it is starting the installation process. Just wait for a few seconds till it downloads. And once it has been downloaded, you'll be able to use Snapchat. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.